Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Matchbox 2019. It says J, we'll call it the B case. Matchbox is clearly going with another letter assortment, maybe a continuation. Not entirely sure why they're doing it the way they're doing it, but ultimately this, I'm assuming, unless I'm totally surprised, is the B case sent to me by Mattel to open for you. This should be in stores, I would say, oh my gosh, could be anytime. Could be this week. Could be next. I would assume by the end of the year, easily. These are going to be all over the place, and from what I have seen and what I know, this will be a case you'll want to look for. 24 count case, always with the Matchbox. We want to know obviously what the models are, but we also want to know in what counts, meaning the good stuff. Can you get more than one? Do you have to be the lucky guy to be there first? Well, let's find out. We'll have holdovers from the A case plus new models in the B case, starting with a holdover, which is the BMW 2002 in that beautiful orange. We won't spend some time on that. Let's just let's get to it. New for the B case is the Matchbox Flatbed King. This was a big hit last year. There's two of those. Big hit last year. It actually surprisingly holds a whole lot. You can slide that bed. We'll do a highlight video after this showing off these models. We'll open up the cases, but right now let's just get through the unboxing. New model, International TerraStar Ambulance. Nice big casting. A lot of you will be disappointed with the fact there's the art that this is a plastic body metal base. That bums me out too, I'll be perfectly honest. I know it's hard to do, and in order to do this model, that's how they could only do it. This one has the metal base. El Segundo deco, which is kind of cool. We'll show the case that one a little bit more too. And then the Baja Bandit, that may be a holdover from the A case. I think you guys have learned the fact that the unlicensed models I tend to forget. All right, this is the MAN TGS dump truck, another brand new casting. So this is the second in this case. Cool to see a truck getting licensed. Typically we see it would be like a MBX hauler or something like this, but this is a licensed truck, and this is something that Matchbox is really trying to do this year, is a lot more licensed models, so that is cool. Meter Maid is a holdover. Okay, we're getting to the star. Here you go. A 1985 Porsche 911 Rally. How cool is the art? This new artwork is so nice. Matchbox just nailed it. And here is the Porsche. Rally style Porsche. This is the Toy Fair version, or the Toy Fair model. And this is the first basic deco. This one, I cannot wait to see all the different decos that we'll see. But we'll, yeah, like I said, we'll showcase this one. And then the other holdover, another holdover, the Jeep Cherokee Police. Nice to see two Porsches. Every new casting so far has gotten two, which is nice to see. The flatbed, not a new casting, but the good stuff has been in multiples. Here's another good one. 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer in black with the wood paneling. No chrome grille this time. We go with the gray. We've seen that a lot in the basic models. It is what it is. I still think this one looks really, really nice in black. There is the deco, and then the Dirt Destroyer, I believe, holdover. I don't know, but that Canon deco is one of those ongoing Matchbox decos. Okay, very, very cool car here. The Dodge Charger Pursuit. Two of those. And notice that's a licensed livery. It says Canada on it. RCMP, GRC. Those. You guys in Canada. Oh, sorry. You guys in Canada, tell me what deco this one is for. I'm not entirely sure. I know it's in Canada, which is cool. And then holdover, new model also from the last mix, 2016 Ram Flatbed. That Dodge Charger is cool. I did a feature on the Dodge Charger. That's a great Matchbox casting, and that one's going to add to that collection. That's a model I will always collect. Okay, 1947 Chevy AD 3100 in blue artwork. This one debuted in the Chevy series last year, the Chevy Truck series. So this is the first time in the main line, and it looks really good. That deco. Jimmy G's Saddlery. If that's not Jim Gallegos, who runs the Matchbox Gathering, then I don't know who it is. So nice homage to Jim. I'm trying to see what else it says there. I cannot make it out if there's any reference to New Mexico, because that's where Jim lives. But very, very cool. So Jim, nice to see your name on there. Well deserved. But your name's been on a lot of models, and that's how it should be. All right, and the another cliffhanger, or did I say? I don't know. New? Maybe it's new. I don't know. Cliffhanger. All right. A model we have not seen for a while, the Volkswagen Caddy delivery. Nice to see this one back. 2 of those new for this case in Pizza, Italian Eatery by Santini since 1977. Voted best pizza in town. Well, now I'm hungry. There is the artwork, and then I think that's a holdover. The petrol pumper. There you go. 24 count case. I will say this is a really, really nice case. Porsche by far being the highlight of this one, but the Wagoneer, couple new licensed castings. I think this case is definitely a winner, and multiples of the good stuff. That's the most important thing. Multiples of the good stuff, so that when you do a 24 count case, put on the pegs, there's enough for everybody to go around, right? Right. Okay, everybody, tell me what you think. Talk to you later. Bye.